If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a PDF in Acrobat from the most recent data copied to your computer's clipboard, first copy the data to the clipboard. This can be a photo, text, or any other content you can show within a PDF. After copying the content, then open Acrobat and click the Create button in the title bar to open a new document tab and show the Create a PDF from any format screen in the new document view. Then click the Clipboard option at the left side of the screen. Then click the Create button that appears at the right side of the screen. Acrobat then creates a new untitled PDF from the information you copied to the clipboard and shows it in the document view. You can give the PDF a name when you later save the file if desired. Remember that Acrobat creates the new PDF from the last thing that you copied to the computer's clipboard. In other words, if you copy text from a Word document and then copy a photo from a web page after that, only the photo is converted into a new PDF. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.